Hi, today this video gonna show you some apps that you must have on your phone as a YouTuber. Yeah, are you a new YouTuber or are you an existing YouTuber? This app is gonna help you, so you have to stay with it. Kindly stay and watch with me. If most especially if you are new YouTuber still using your phone, that you are based on your phone, that you don't have camera right now, that you still based on your phone, this is that short video for you. So kindly sit and watch it. So I'm gonna tell us the compulsory and important apps that you must have, that you can film and edit like a pro, that you can film and edit like a professional, that you can use to make your thumbnails a good and professional thumbnails, that you can use to edit with only your smartphone, and you are gonna get something amazing. So kindly sit and watch this video. This video is actually for you. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing? You are seeing Christina Felix on the show again today. So happy new week and happy new week. Kindly, today is our Monday tip. So today I'm gonna show to you and I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna tell you, like encouraging you, because this is what I'm using. So I'm gonna encourage you some apps that you must have on your phone. Obviously, if you are still using you are new YouTuber and you are still using your phone to do everything, to film, to camera, so this, you are going to love it. So this video is actually for you. You have to sit and watch it to an end and gain a lot of tips on it. So if you are new here, seeing this face for the first time, please, you'll see red button here, down here. It was written subscribing. Kindly go there, press the red button, put on likes, thumbs up for the stream, thumbs up for this stream, and put on your notification bell, so whenever I put something out there, you'll be the first person to grab it. So without wasting of our time, let's go straight into today's video. So firstly, I'm going to tell you to have YouTube app on your phone. Yeah, why do you say I should have YouTube app on my phone? It's very compulsory. If you want to be a YouTuber, it's very compulsory. You must have YouTube app. Don't go through Chrome every time. Firstly, it's gonna waste your data. Secondly, you may not even take use of it like used to read often. Like if you have it on your phone, you can go there anytime, just click on it, just check it. So that is why I said you should have YouTube app on your phone. Secondly, that you are going to have on your phone, you must have your YouTube studio. Make sure you have your YouTube studio. That is day and on of you. Yeah, that is day and on of you. That is where you're supposed to be sleeping. That is a so that is where you're supposed to sleep on every time, like often, because as for the YouTube studio, you are gonna get a lot of things there. You're gonna use it to edit. If you want to use it to edit your video in YouTube studio, that is where you will get in and out of your channel. I'm just telling you, that is where you are going to get how you are growing on YouTube. That is where you are going to that YouTube will like updating you how you are growing, how your YouTube is doing, how you get where your subscriber is, and you know where to monetize. You know how to get the copyright, where some people subscribe to you. So it's everything. So you have to have it on your phone, like YouTube studio. It's everything. So that is where I sleep. That is my home. So that is where I sleep as a YouTuber. So you must have that on your phone. So the third one that I'll ask you to have on your phone is YouTube Go. Most especially if you are in Africa, based on Africa, that you are like some of you that you are not using unlimited Wi-Fi, that is based on data, like normal data. So I'll have to recommend to you to go and download YouTube Go. If you download YouTube Go, it's actually, what is the use is it's actually good for downloading, and you can watch your video over there. You can use it for download video, you can watch video. It's obviously save data. Yeah, it's lifesaver. YouTube Go is lifesaver. it save your data, because most of Africans, we base on data, so not all of us are based on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to encourage you to go and download it. It's what I'm using right now. You can find it, if you're here with me, you'll find it on my phone. So kindly go there and download it, and you're going to enjoy it. So the number 4 of it, if you are using your phone and you're a new YouTuber in the house, that you want to become a pro YouTuber, you want to become a professional, you want to film and video like a professional, so I will advise you and I will encourage you to have KineMaster on your phone. Yeah, it's very good. It's good for filming, good for editing, everything. KineMaster is just a lifesaver. So you have to have KineMaster on your phone. Very free. It's very, very free. If you don't have good background, use KineMaster, my dear. Yeah, it's very good. You can use it for your editing, you can use it for your filming, you can use it for your background. Yeah, you can also use it for increasing volume. So if you are someone that you don't have camera right now, that you don't have camera, KineMaster is a lifesaver for you. If you are someone that you don't have microphone right now, KineMaster is a lifesaver for you. So you have to use KineMaster. It will really helps you. So if you are someone that you have your laptop already with you, that you can camera, or you have a camera, or you have another external camera, or you have another microphone, so I will recommend to you InShot. Even your phone, you can only use your phone. My dear, I'm using InShot for my editing and KineMaster for my editing, and they are giving me wow. So I really love it so much. So that's why I'm telling you, like, it's something that you're gonna use and it's very free. For example, as for my InShot, it's just a lifesaver to me, because as for KineMaster, it has like watermark that you'll know that this is what you use to edit or to film. But for InShot, no, you don't have KineMaster, you don't have watermark. The only thing that you are gonna show that you how to erase it is that you have to wash hard. That is just it. So if you don't want to have InShot on your phone, like on your video that you are editing presently, so just press it. How to cancel it, the only thing they will ask, they will show some ad for you. It's not even up to 1 minute, so you are going to watch it. That is how the thing will erase. And even in the InShot, you can use it for your logo, you can use it for your intro. I'll still show us one day how to make an intro on InShot if you are using your phone. If you can use it, you get a lot of music there, very nice music that it's not copyright, a lot of effects there. And I'm gonna advise you, if you are using InShot, so to avoid copyright, so just go into your any music or external music on your phone. Our advice, that is what I did. So I will advise you to erase everything. Just go to YouTube, download, just go to YouTube audio library, so go and download free. All the musics there, they are free, so just go there to download free music to use it inside your vlog. So the number 5 of it, so I'm going to tell us, so if you this is just an subordinate, so you can also use Power Director. It's still an editing, is an editing video, is an editing app that you can use to edit your video too. It's also nice and very, very good. You can get a pro. These are the app, Android app editing that you can actually use free of charge without any penny, and you can get a pro stuff, a pro video there. So that is number 5 about that. So now let's now go to our top news. So if you want to have a nice top news and a nice, not even only top news, you can actually use it also for your logo. Yeah, you can use it for your banner, you can use it for your sticker. Oh my god, we have a lot of things. I've said it earlier on. It's like when the previous video that I showed was how to upload channel ads. So I said it there. So you go and download Canva, my dear. Go and download Canva. Canva is everything. Canva is everything. You can actually use Canva on your phone, on your Android. I'm telling you, on your Android, on your Techno, on your any Android, any smartphone, and they will think as if you have used a system or Apple laptop or something like that. So go and download Canva. You can use it for your thumbnails. It's very free. It's very free and very easy for you without any penny. You get a lot of things there. What I even like in it is that there is a lot of free templates. The only thing that you just do is that just try and edit whatever that is there. Maybe you want to put your name there, or you want to put your own picture. That is all, and you're going to get the most beautiful and the most amazing thumbnails, the most customized thumbnails. So you can also use it, as I say, you can also use it for your channel art. You can also use it for logo. You can use it for your banner. You can use it for sticker, for presentation. You can also use it for your Instagram. You want to make your Instagram photo. You can also use it for your ads, like on Facebook, on Twitter. So it's just go there and download it. So I may not be able to explain everything, so just go there and see yourself. So it's just a lifesaver. And even the second one that I'm going to tell you, if you don't like Canva, this is all what I'm using. I'm just giving you the tips. So you just go there and download PicMonkey. Sorry. So just if you have PicMonkey on your phone, or you have or Canva, excuse me, PicMonkey and Canva, they are the same. They have the same way. They work the same way. So you have to have PicMonkey, but it depends on. As for me, I like the Canva, because as for the Canva, it's very simple, and I don't have stress to construct a template again. So I'll just go there and edit and remove some things. That is all. But as for the PicMonkey, but it's your choice. So some people really like it if they want to construct things on their own from playing from background. So I will ask you to go and download PicMonkey. Okay, so let's quickly go into another tips that I'm going to tell you that you must have on your phone. If you are a new YouTuber, you must have this on your phone that you don't have. If you're a new YouTuber that you don't have computer, a new YouTuber that you don't have any external device than your phone, and you want to behave like a pro, that you want to be like a professional, you want your video to look more amazing, so I'll ask you to go and download. It's a lifesaver to download Google Drive. Google Drive, you can use it to save your phone. You can use it to save your device, because you don't have computer with you where to save your devices, where to save your video, where to save your pictures, where to save your thumbnails, where to save your logo, where to save your. So it's not good for you to make a logo today and delete it today. It's not good for you to make an intro and delete it today. So I'll ask you to go and have Google Drive, so you can actually save a lot of things there. I'm telling you, you can actually save a lot of things there. I have a lot of pictures or a lot of documents on my drive for like 10 years, 15 years, and it's still there looking fresh, and I can open it anytime. So I still love it, and I still like it. Like, it's gonna change, it won't change. So you have to go and download it right away. It's gonna help you. Yeah. So let's go to we're in number 7. Is it 7? Number 6. Is it 6 or 7? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to tell us to go and download. This is what I'm using right now. So if you don't have camera on your phone, just go straight and go and download Filma Pro. So FreeMac Pro is actually everlasting. Like FreeMac Pro, see, it's awesome. Like, I don't know, it's a camera, but it gives you professional camera more than normal camera that we are using. So you have to have that app on your phone, so it's just a lifesaver to you. So it's gonna give you what you don't expect. Like, it's I don't know, like you are going to love it. Really, you are going to love it. So if you are someone that your phone camera is not good, internet camera is not good, so I will advise you to go and download FreeMac Pro. Yeah. So if I say we should just be talking, we will not leave here today, and we have a lot of applications that we're supposed to have on our phone. Like, it's gonna give you something amazing, something nice that you are going to come out with, or unexpected. But so that is just a little that I'm going to tell us for today. And if you are new that you want to be streaming, I will advise you go for StreamYard. You can have actually use your StreamYard on your phone and see the same thing. Comments, you see the comments of your audience, you see the comments of the people coming to your live. So it's very nice, it's very good, because compared to Streamlab, if you are using Streamlab, it's you won't see it won't clear. Yeah, it won't clear the comments, it won't clear, and you won't be able to type. Like, you won't be able to reply to comments if you want to reply. But as for StreamYard, my dear, and right now we are even lucky they've converted to 1080, so it's very wide, and the camera is very nice. So finally, the most important thing that I'm going to tell you, if you're a new YouTuber in the house and you want people to really know you want to blow on time, kindly go and download kindly go and download TubeBuddy. That is where I will stop for today. It's a lifesaver. Also, it will actually help you in your content. It will actually helps you to create your content, how you can tag, how you can create a nice topic that is very nice, that it will be more searchable, that you can get a keyword there, and how you can tag also that people will see your video and people will search your video. It will actually, the more your subscriber is going, I even love them for that. The more your subscriber is going, they will appreciate you and they will congratulate you for it. They will mush your picture with it, and it's really nice. So just go straight and go and download TubeBuddy. So that is where we are going to stop for today. I don't want to take too much of our time, so we'll see you in our next video, obviously maybe tomorrow or next month. So don't forget to go right here, as you can see this video. So we'll meet ourselves there. So not tomorrow, so we'll meet ourselves on this video. So if you like what you're supposed to do and what you're supposed to know before starting a YouTube channel, so just go straight there and watch it. And if you don't know how to upload or how to come across your channel hats, so we'll see you in another video. Bye.